Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at Edgar Hansen, one of the most recognizable faces from Deadliest Catch. Once a fan favorite for his hard work and dry humor, he's now largely disappeared from the spotlight. So, what really happened to him, and where is he now? Stay tuned. Edgar Hansen was born in Seattle, Washington, and grew up in a Norwegian-American fishing family. He is the younger brother of Captain Sig Hansen, the skipper of the FV Northwestern, one of the most successful crab boats in the Bering Sea. Edgar became a deckhand in his youth and eventually rose to deck boss and engineer, gaining respect for his sharp instincts and ability to keep the crew motivated through grueling seasons. When Discovery Channel launched Deadliest Catch in 2005, Edgar quickly became a household name. Fans loved his mix of humor, no-nonsense work ethic, and the obvious loyalty he had to both his brother and the Northwestern crew. His quick wit made him a standout personality, and he became one of the show's most popular figures. However, in 2018, Edgar's reputation was rocked by a disturbing legal case. He pled guilty to fourth-degree sexual assault involving a 16-year-old girl. While he avoided jail time, he was sentenced to community service and ordered to undergo treatment. The conviction was devastating to his career, and almost immediately, his presence on Deadliest Catch began to fade. Fans noticed he was no longer being featured prominently, and eventually, he disappeared from the series almost entirely. Where is Edgar Hansen now? Today, Edgar Hansen is still involved with the Northwestern, but he stays almost entirely off camera. Reports suggest he continues working on the boat in the role of engineer and deck boss during crab seasons, though Discovery avoids featuring him in the show due to his past conviction. He lives a low-profile life, working quietly at sea, far removed from the fame he once enjoyed. Edgar Hansen went from being one of the most beloved stars of Deadliest Catch to almost invisible after his conviction. While he remains part of the Northwestern's operations, his television career appears to be over. What do you think? Should he have been allowed back on the show? Or was Discovery right to distance themselves? Let us know in the comments.